MTD Network this week, what's been going on? First of all, you're not going to say, Red, request a quote, hit that button if you need any parts manufactured, we'll get some quotes for you, nice and simple. And if you want to join the network, look at that, smooth as anything. Hit the blue button, pop your details in it, and we'll get you signed up. So, what's been going on this week? Well, again, look at that, it's better than watching Michael Fish on the weather. So, Honal, a new Pinacho machine, if I can say that correctly. We're looking forward to reviewing that shortly, so we'll pop down and see you soon, Andrea. Now, these are our friends Rennd 3D printing, but this time they've milled a small brass electrode, a number 3. So have a look at that little story. And Wilbar, I know they're busy, but they've got some great milling machines, great turning machines, a little bit spare capacity, so get in contact with Gareth or Chris and the team at Wilbar. Now, what's trending this week? Look at that, smooth as clockwork. So, Bedford CNC. I know our friend Andy at Bedford CNC is really, really busy at the moment, but he does have some spare capacity on his sliding head lathe, so get in contact with Andy. What else has been going on? Well, we've got Medley Precision. This is a cracking machine shop. So have a look at that video. What else has been going on? Desman Engineering, bit of spare capacity. All I can say is big machines, big parts. Have a look at that, see what you think. And Power Cut, great machine shop. Mazak, Doosan, and their favourite, well, can I say favourite? The Studer S31 state-of-the-art grinder. Fantastic machine. Get in contact with Paul and the team from Power Cut if you want anything like that. That's it for this week. Have I mentioned Subcon 2018? I don't think I have. We're there from tomorrow, Tuesday. It's all going off then. We'll be filming live. We'll be looking at seeing engineers, buyers, and the presentations. So if you want to get yourself on camera, or just get down to the NEC Tuesday to Thursday this week. We look forward to seeing you there. That's it for this week. Now, you know what I'm going to say? Red, request a quote, pop your details in, and then blue, if you want to join MTD Network. We'll see you at Subcon.